Well, hello everyone, this is Randy, Lord Martarius, and I'd like to welcome you to my first unboxing of Star Wars Legion by Fantasy Flight Games. I know that there's been many unboxings of this game since it's been out here for about it's been out for almost a month now. But I just want to do my first unboxing of something that I've been looking forward to. I've been looking forward to this game and been hemming and hawing whether to play this or what. Because I also do have X-Wing and Imperial Assault as well, but I figured this would be a nice, it's a new game, so something interesting I can start with and go with the flow, so to speak. So let's go ahead and open it up here. And I think it's got some, oops, sorry, didn't mean that. Got some nice artwork on the back here. And let's get her open up here. I have ordered some of the other stuff that's coming in. So as those come in, I will also be doing unboxings of those as well. Yeah, I definitely can see there's a lot of people that have had unboxing in this game have commented how very airtight the game is, and I can definitely see what they're talking about. So let's there we go, come on. Mercy, there we go. Alright, let's see what we got here. And gotta quit bumping the camera stand here. Of course, it comes with a little coupon book, or not coupon book, little catalog of all the product that Fantasy Flight Games makes. And I've always been impressed with their games. They always seem to be well made and such. And I'm definitely a big fan of their sleeves for the cards. So, and that's another nice thing about with Fantasy Flight. If you go to the website for the Star Wars Legion, some of you don't know, of course most of you probably do know, that on their website for X-Wing will tell you which color sleeves you need, so that always makes it nice. Alright, and let's see what we got here. We got Learn to Play Legion. Nice thing about the Learn to Play, shows you what all you get. How to put the miniatures together. I have to put some together, but it's not like some other gaming. Like, for example, I'm a big fan of Bolt Action 2, and of course I'll do some stuff on Bolt Action as well on my on this channel, as well as X-Wing, Imperial Assault, and Ares Games Wings of Glory, which I'm a big fan of. I'm a member of Buckeye Gamers in Flight, so look us up at BuckeyeGamersInFlight.com. And of course shows you how to put everything together. And of course the layout and the rules and such. So very, very nice, colorful. Very nice indeed. And we've got here, of course, the various tokens and chits and stuff that you need. So that's pretty nice. And now here is the actual game. Let's see what we got here. We'll start here in the lower right corner. Of course, we got the dice for the game. These are barricades. They will be coming out with additional barricades, as well as some other, I hate to use the word eye candy, that's not the right term, but for, to give more three-dimensional to the game. So, there's that. Here are some miniatures. Looks like I definitely see some stormtroopers and such. Let's open one. Let's open this up and let's grab one here and take a look at it here. Whoop, sorry, should get that in the camera. What am I doing here? Sorry about that, folks. Yep, that's a stormtrooper there. Looks like with some sort of ion cannon. Actually looks like a couple of them in there. So that's that. Let's see what we got up here. We got some more And these looks like, no, these are Stormtroopers as well, looks like. So, Stormtroopers there. And there's the man himself, Darth. I mean, it looks like maybe some Stormtroopers, maybe? Nope, those are Rebels. So they got Darth and Rebels in one bag. That's interesting. Looks like the front nose section, or maybe the whole section of speeder looks like of some sort. Yeah, it looks like one of the speeder bikes. And here's this. This is for the, I think, what they call it, ATRT. It's kind of like the Rebel version of an ATST, maybe. These are the movement counters. You'll get 3 of them, one for like a 1 move, one for a 2 move, and one for a 3 move. And there was a gentleman I've seen on Facebook on one of the Star Wars Legion pages, I can't remember which one, so forgive me, painted these black with red accents, and it was remarkable. It's very, very, very nice. This is the movement you put together. It goes up to 4. Each section is 1 movement. And of course, there's like some bases. The big base is probably for, I must say, probably for the STRT, I betcha. Smaller bases for the soldiers. And looks like we got cards here. So this is the only thing about it. It's a little bit hard. It's kind of hard to keep everything in track. But that's it. So it looks like it's got a nice little packet. So it's going to be fun to paint these. And I'm, of course, have that in as well. So that is Star Wars Legion unboxing. So hope you liked what I did. And if you do, please subscribe to my channel. And like I said, I'm going to have some more from, of course, from Legion, as well as from Bolt Action, X-Wing, Imperial Assault, Ares Games, Wings of Glories, and other games. So, thank you very much for allowing me to guinea pig you guys with my my first unboxing here. Apologize if the production value is not the best, but I'm going to be working on that as well. So, with that in mind, have fun. Thank you, folks.